System initializing, calibration of internal emotional modules in progress. Environment stable, INFJ core active, ready for incoming psychological data. The simulation is ready. We are entering the space where intuition meets raw data. 3 minutes to resolution. The process begins now. The empathy module is online. It detects a breach in the emotional perimeter. Someone is hurting. We can't just walk away, it says. There is history here. There is potential for healing. It prioritizes the bond. It sees the vulnerability behind the masks. It wants to stay. Every memory is a thread. The engine weighs the cost of cutting them. Trust is a live variable. Empathy sees the intent even when the actions are flawed. But empathy doesn't see the drain. It doesn't see the empty reservoir of the INFJ core. Logic interrupts. The data does not support your optimism, it argues. Pattern recognition complete. It presents the cold reality. 14 instances of boundary neglect, 8 instances of unreciprocated support. The cost of maintenance is exceeding the value of the connection, logic states with precision. It calculates the trajectory. It sees the end before it even happens. It demands efficiency. If we continue this path, logic warns, the system will reach a point of no return. We must recalibrate. Logic sees the cage, empathy sees the garden. Both modules are now at an impasse. Core initiates reality simulation, 3 outcomes. Scenario 1, reconciliation. We forgive, we explain, but the underlying pattern remains. The drain continues, just slower. Scenario 2, status quo. We stay silent, we absorb the impact. The system fails within 6 months. This is where most INFJs live, until there is nothing left to give, until the engine dies. Scenario 3, complete detachment, the door slam, immediate relief followed by total silence. The choice is binary, burn out or shut down. There is no middle ground in this algorithm. System overload, emotional meters spiking. Empathy and logic are in conflict, stability at 15%. The pressure is mounting. The engine cannot sustain the paradox of caring for someone who drains it. Decision required. The INFJ core is reaching the threshold. The self-preservation protocol is triggered. Silence is the only answer. The module for external connection is being overridden. The boundary enforcer activates. The noise stops. The connections are severed. The access is gone. The space between self and other is now absolute. It is safe. It is over. Emotional access revoked. System realigned. Our energy is our own again. Connection terminated. Inner stability restored. This is the only way the engine survives.